This video is about getting started in your practical lessons in an automatic car. During your first lesson as a learner, you will learn about all the main controls of the car, how to carry out the cockpit drill, how to move off and stop safely, entering the car safely. Before entering the car, you must ensure that it is safe to do so. It is advised that you approach your car from behind and look up and down the road for traffic before opening your door. As soon as you are in the car, check that the parking brake is applied. The cockpit drill. Once you are safely seated in your car, you must go through what is commonly known as the cockpit drill. This must be carried out every time you get into the car, regardless whether you were the last person who drove the car. This drill ensures that you can locate and use all the controls of the car and get the best view of the road ahead and in your mirrors. The drill also ensures that you fasten your seatbelt doors. Check that the doors are securely closed. Use the door mirrors to help you, or you may see a warning sign on the dashboard. Seat. Move the base of your seat forward and backwards and ensure that you can press all the pedals safely and comfortably with a slight bend in your knee. If the base of your seat can be moved up and down, adjust it so that you can see through your windscreen of the road ahead. Then you adjust the backrest, also known as the rake of the seat. When your seat is correctly adjusted, you should be able to hold your steering wheel with your hands in the 10 to 2 or quarter to 3 position, with your elbow slightly bent. Then you should slide your hands around the steering wheel, making sure your arms are not restricted. In some cars, you may be able to adjust the steering column and finally adjust the head restraint to give you maximum protection in the event of collision. The thickest part of the head restraint should be in line with the top of your ears and your eyes. Seat belt. Wearing your seat belt is a legal requirement and will protect you in an accident, and is therefore advisable that during normal driving, drivers and their passengers should use their seat belts except those who have medical exemption certificate. Mirrors. Finally, once in a comfortable driving position, adjust your interior mirror and your door mirrors to give you the best view of the rear and sides. Some mirrors are electrically operated and may require you to turn on the engine of the car. Adjust the rear view mirror using your right arm. Place your thumb and your forefingers around the edge of the mirror and move it until the rear window is framed in the mirror. Adjust the door mirrors so that you can barely see the side of your car and directly back along the road or footpath. Whilst adjusting the side mirrors, you may notice that the objects seen in the side mirrors appear smaller and so seem further away. This is because the glass in the door mirrors are convex, which gives a wider field of vision, but is not a true reflection of the distance and size of the images you see. Take this into consideration when using your door mirrors. Foot controls. In an automatic car, there are 2 foot controls, the accelerator and the foot brake. You should use your right foot to operate both of these pedals. Accelerator. The accelerator or gas pedal is positioned at the extreme right of the 2 pedals and is operated by your right foot. The accelerator or gas pedal controls the rate at which the mixture of fuel and oil is supplied to the engine. It is used to control the speed of the car by increasing or reducing the flow of fuel to the engine. The gas pedal should be pressed down smoothly and gently. Foot brake or brake pedal is also used with the right foot. It is used to control the speed of the car by slowing down or bringing the car to a halt. The foot brake operates on the four wheels of the car. When the brake pedal is used, the brake lights at the back of the car come on, warning drivers following you that you are either slowing down or stopping. The foot brake should be pressed progressively and firmly, and as you get to the required speed, you smoothly release your foot. As we use the right foot to control the brake and the accelerator, it is recommended that you place your heel between the two pedals, and this would allow you to pivot your right foot to the accelerator and the brake. Whilst pivoting, you should endeavor to place your heel on the floor. When operating these two pedals, you should use the ball of your foot. Hand controls steering wheel. The steering wheel is used to turn the car when changing direction. If you imagine the steering wheel as the face of a clock, you should normally place your hands between the 10 to 2 or quarter to 3 position. When steering, we should use the pull-push method without crossing your hands. Transmission lever. The automatic transmission selector takes the place of a gear lever in a manual car. Automatic gearboxes let you select between P for parking, starting engine, and key remover. R for reverse when you want to drive backwards. N neutral when out of gear. D for drive. This selects gears automatically. 4, 3, 2 and L for manual selection of gear for more engine power and keep speed down. Indicator switch. The indicator stalk is usually located to the left of the steering wheel. Whilst using them, keep your hands on the steering wheel and use your fingertips to operate them. To signal, you move your indicator stalk in the same direction you would turn your steering wheel. After completing your turning maneuver, you should cancel the indicators. Remember not to leave your indicators on after completing your maneuver because they might be misleading and dangerous to other road users. Hazard warning lights. When you turn on your hazard warning lights, every indicator on the car begins to flash. You turn on your hazard warning lights when you need to warn other road users of a hazard, which could be your own car or an obstacle on the road. Use your hazard warning lights when you have broken down, when your car is temporarily obstructing traffic, and while driving on a dual carriageway or expressway to warn other road users of a hazard ahead. Moving off. Moving off is easy provided you follow the prepare, observe, and maneuver routine. For short, the POM routine. P for prepare. Make sure the car is ready to move. O for observe. Make sure it is safe to move. M for maneuver. Move the car forward in the correct driving position. Prepare. Start your engine. Then put your right foot on the brake pedal and push the brake pedal down. With the brake pedal down, move the gear shifter to D or R. Observe. Carry out effective observation all around you before you move, starting from the right blind spot, the right mirror, the center mirror, the road ahead, the left door mirror, and your left blind spot by turning to look over your left shoulder through the rear side window. Before you move off, signal if necessary. Maneuver. When you are sure it is safe to move away, move your foot off the foot brake and the vehicle begins to creep forward. As the car starts to move, check your interior mirror and your left door mirror again. Steer your car gradually to your driving position, roughly 1 meter from the curb. Cancel your signal if you've applied one. To gain speed, gently press on the accelerator pedal whilst looking well ahead. Stopping. When stopping, ensure that you stop where it is safe, legal, and convenient. To stop, use the mirror's signal maneuver routine, for short MSM routine. Check your interior and your right door mirror to ensure it is safe to stop. Decide whether you need a signal for your intention to stop. Look well ahead. Select a safe, legal, and convenient place on the right side of the road. Take your foot off the accelerator pedal, cover your brake, and begin to brake gently. Turn your steering wheel slightly towards the curb, lined up with your reference point, which is roughly the midpoint of your dashboard. Then turn the steering wheel back to the left and straighten up. Ease off the brake just as the vehicle begins to stop. Finally, apply your foot brake to secure your vehicle, then put your gear into park position. Hope you like our video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Also like and share this video to help others find us on YouTube. Please feel free to leave any comments about our videos. For business inquiries, please email us at sdserue@hotmail.com or call us on +234 80